Now we both forgot the tripods. I can see G struggling to set the camera on a tree. Okay, what you gonna do now? We'll make some kind of a double lean-to. No, one lean-to. So we'll be together again, and all of you will write that we are so gay, but we're not. We just like to be warm. Okay, some kind of reflector, and I'm also thinking about roof over the fire a bit higher so that it don't burn out. But yeah, check this out, it's very nice. G is nice and hot. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Now we need to organize place a little bit, and first we're gonna make raised bed as always, then the rest of the shelter. After it, we'll make a fire. Shelter over first because we expect some rain, and we don't want to have fire with no shelter. So I'm just gonna keep talking so he'll do everything else as always. That should be fine to cover the back. Okay, let's continue. So you can see that we're getting done with the roof. After we put all the poles, we'll put these needles, dirt on it and over it, just in case. We'll have prepared the tarp, just in case friends we can close it and that we don't swim in our shelter. We have to find one more like this to put it back, just keep the wind away from our shelter. Walk around. I place these cascades here just for easier setching, and you can see the roof is in the pine needles. Also this side will be closed, and I need to cut this part here because I don't need it. It will just make a problem, and these two pieces here. Then the fire reflector, you can see the bed, and yeah, after we finish the shelter we need to start to gather the firewood. Okay, so shelter is pretty much done. When we snug inside, we are well away from the rain, and worst case scenario we can always sit on and yeah, through the night just to sit, but there is enough place to snug in for both of us. Next thing, now we have to eat something because yeah, we lost a lot of energy. It's 1:15, so we have around 3.5 hours of sunlight, I mean light. Okay, let's just get something to eat quickly, then reflector, and then the real lunch. And yeah, looks nice. Okay, we have some twigs here ready to go. The magic. There you go. That's beautiful. It's all wet. So we have a fire going. Let's keep an eye on it, just till I'm sure that it's nice and strong. Whew. Good preparation, you won't have any problems to get a fire going, absolutely. Get the nice twigs, these bigger pieces, and that's simply it. And always put the fire steel back in your sheath or in your pocket, wherever you hold it, because on the last trip I lost mine in the snow. So if you like this content and this video, please hit the like and subscribe if you're new. I would really appreciate it. Smells nice. I want to prepare this stuff. Just need to remove. Vicious bon appetit. We got on a high ground. You can see where our campsite is, because we're trying to send text message to the loud ones so that they don't call 911. Yeah, very interesting here. I have a pretty nice view. Check where the campsite is. It's very nice. It is 7 p.m. We are almost into bed. The fire is still going. The rain stopped. I hope it will stay that way. It's nice, warm and cozy inside. And how it wouldn't be? I have two sweaters. And no need to get in sleeping bed yet. But we'll have to soon. So yeah, now the worst thing that happens through the night is when you have to go to pee, which is always not fun because you have to get your boots on and all the stuff, or you can pee in here and that's it, you know. Whew. You just light the fire. You can cook 2 pigs on it, but it's fine because all the time rain is turning out the fire. And this, I doubt so. We have 2 huge logs and one from this side, so we're just gonna pull them inside and it should be enough for the whole night. You can see in this stove resin that we collected earlier. I'm gonna put mocha and wait for the tea. Okay, I'm gonna snug inside right now and I'll see you guys in the morning. I solved a problem with the smoke. Placed 2 space blankets and now the effect is like something like super shelter, and it should be fine. You see? Actually sleeping. Okay, time to go to sleep. Good night, guys. Good morning, guys. It's 8 o'clock. The night was very warm. Even too warm at some point that I wanted to put all of my clothes out and sleep just in underwear in my sleeping bag. G is still sleeping. And I can see some embers still alive, so I'm gonna try to get the fire going again. So we can cook some tea. Do some walking around and then we'll pack our stuff. We decided to leave this shelter like this, just natural materials, and yeah, at the moment when I want to light a fire, rain just started. So yeah, so we have a campsite to come, just to improve it every time, that we don't have to build it all the way again from the scratch. And that's the reason why we're gonna leave it like this. And there are a lot of hunters around here, so I think, yeah, it would be a good idea to leave it just if someone wants to rest or do something like that. Okay, now I'm gonna wake up G and we're gonna try to make fire going. Getting fire in the rain, not a very easy task. But I have a fire going just to make it a bit stronger, and this small rain shouldn't be a problem. It's easily time to run because weather is picking up and wind is picking up, rain is getting harder. So G is packing, and yeah, let's get our stuff on the back. The trip was nice. Nice 2 days. The fire is still burning. We're gonna turn it out, and you can see surroundings. It's very beautiful woods, very beautiful forest. Okay, let's back up and let's get to the car. So that's it guys for today's video. In case you like this content, hit a like, make sure you comment. If you have any question, put it below. I'll do best to answer it as fast as I can. Thanks again. If you're new, please subscribe. We're heading down there, we're heading home, and that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye blue sky.